Good morning and Sai Ram to all. Children, welcome back to your online classes in maths. Today we are going to study maths. Okay, can you do you know children what is line? What is line? A long, thin mark on the surface of something or on the ground is called line. A long, thin mark. Any long, thin mark on the surface of something, anything, or on the ground is called line. Children, have you ever seen lines? Yes, na? Where? Everywhere, isn't it? Everywhere we can see lines. In Hindi, in maths, in EVS, in drawing, everywhere we see lines. We cannot write any word without line. In each and every word we use lines. Either it is Hindi or it is English or maths. Isn't it? So, we need lines everywhere. Without line, we cannot write, we cannot draw. Even we cannot draw anything without line. We need lines everywhere. Either it is Hindi or it is maths or English or EVS. Everywhere we need lines. Isn't it? Okay. Now today I will tell you how many types of lines are there. There are basically 4 types of lines. How many type of lines? 4 types of lines. First is standing line, slanting line, curved line, and fourth one is sleeping lines. How many types of lines are there? There are 4 types of line. First is standing line, second is slanting line, third is curved line, and fourth one is sleeping line. This is standing line. Then this one is sleeping line. These two are slanting lines and these are curved lines. This is curved line, this one is curved line, this is also curved line and this one is also curved line. So basically, how many types of lines are there? There are 4 types of lines. Okay? These lines will use in each and every subject. Either it is Hindi or it is English or EVS. Even we'll use these lines in drawing also. Without line we cannot draw. If you want to draw cup, which type of lines you will use? Like this. This is curve line and this is also curve line, isn't it? This is also curve line, and for this saucer again you will use curve line. So this is curve line, this one is also curve line, this is also curve line, and these two lines also curved line. So for this cup, which type of line you used? Curved line, isn't it? So one more, I am showing you one more picture. See, for this glass, this is glass. And for this glass, which type of lines you used? These two lines are slanting lines. and these two lines are sleeping lines. So, can you draw without line any picture? No. So, the uses of line is very, yes, it is, lines are used in every subject. In Hindi, in English, in maths, in EVS, isn't it? In all subject we use lines, different type of lines. Okay? Now, see, these are standing lines. These lines are standing lines. These all are standing lines. Now, I'm showing you curved line. These lines are curved lines. Okay? Now, I'm showing you slanting lines. These are slanting lines. These lines are slanting lines. And this is also slanting line. Okay? Now, next is sleeping line. These lines are sleeping lines. So, our chapter number 11, lines and lines based on lines. Okay? So, today we'll study in maths chapter number 11, lines and lines. Okay? How many type of lines are there? There are 4 types of lines. Standing line, then curved lines, then slanting lines, and here standing and sleeping lines. Both lines are there, standing and sleeping. Okay? So, in today's video, we'll study about lines and lines. Okay? So, let's start. So, this is page number 84 of your maths book and chapter number 11, lines and lines. Whose line is it? Whose line is it? Today there is a cricket match in Fatima's school. Fatima, Jasbir and Raima have each brought their own stump from home. These are the stumps. Okay? These are the stumps. And her name is Fatima. His name is Jasbir and her name is Raima. Okay? They keep these in a corner of the room. Fatima keeps her stump in standing position. Fatima keep her stump in standing position. In standing position. This position is standing. This position is standing position. Jasbir keeps his stump in slanting position. This is slanting position. Okay. This one is standing position and this one is slanting position. Raima keeps her stump in sleeping position. This position is sleeping. As I have told you, standing line, slanting line and sleeping line. Same way, they are keeping their stumps in standing, slanting and sleeping position. Okay? To show others how they have kept their stumps, they draw lines in a book. They have drawn line also in their notebook. Fatima draws a standing line. Okay. Jasbir draws a slanting line. Raima draws a sleeping line. Why Fatima draws standing line? Because Fatima keeps her stump in standing position. That's why Fatima draw standing line. Why Jasbir draw slanting line? Because Jasbir keeps his stump in slanting position. That's why Jasbir draw slanting line. Okay. Then Raima draws a sleeping line. Why Raima draws a sleeping line? Because Raima keeps her stump in sleeping position. That's why Raima draw sleeping lines. Okay. Match the picture of each child with a correct line. Match the picture of each child with the correct line. She is she is Fatima. And who is she? Raima and Jasbir. Okay. So, Fatima draws standing line. So, Fatima match with standing. Okay. Because she draws standing line. Then, Raima draws sleeping line. So, you can match Raima with this notebook. And Jasbir draws slanting. So, you will match Jasbir with this notebook. Okay. You will match these Fatima with standing line, Raima with sleeping line and Jasbir with slanting line. Okay, like this you will complete this page. Now move on next page, page number 85. This is the page number 85. Here are some standing lines, slanting lines and sleeping lines. Okay, this is standing line, these are slanting lines and these two are sleeping lines. Okay, now draw some more such lines. You can draw here some more lines. Space is given here. You can draw some more lines. Okay, so you will draw here, you will draw standing lines. Okay, like this you can draw standing lines. You will draw standing lines here. Okay, and here you will draw slanting lines like this. Two slanting line this side and two slanting line this side. And down you can draw sleeping lines. Okay, like this you can draw sleeping lines. Okay, like this you will complete these lines. Now, what Jasbir said, I can draw lines with the side of my pencil box. If you have no ruler, if you have no scale, you can use side of pencil box. You can use your pencil box as ruler. Okay, what Raima said, I will try to draw lines with only my hand. She can draw lines with her hand. And what Raima said, I can draw lines with a scale. She used scale. Okay, you can use scale or you can use side of your pencil box. Okay. Now, down, Ekta's lines are not straight. Ekta's lines are not straight. These are curved. These are curved line. These are not straight line. As I told you, how many types of lines are there? 4 types of lines are there. 3 lines are given upside, straight, standing line, slanting line and sleeping line. And one more line is there. This is curved one. Curved line. Okay. So, draw more curved line by joining the dots. Okay. So, what you will do here, you will draw curved line by joining the dots. Like this you draw these curved lines. Okay. Or you can draw any shape. or you can draw any, yes, you can draw any shape. Like this you can draw. Okay. This is also curved, or you can draw like this. Like this you can draw. This is also curved. Okay. And you can draw like this also. Like this also you can draw. Like this you can draw. Okay. So you will complete these with the help of curved line. Okay. So see you soon in again next video. Till then you take care of yourself. Thank you and Sai Ram.